Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a quick video for you. Just want to give you some ideas as you go through the dog days of summer. I know we are all done with our exams, we're eagerly awaiting our results, but in the meantime, we can make some money on the side. So here are some ideas that you can use to try and make some money. And of course, this is more relatable to the Caribbean, as you know, we might have some limitations into our options compared to other territories, but just some ideas, about 10 of them that you can use to make some money while you're transitioning from either year 1 to year 2 or high school to sixth form, or even when you send out your resumes and waiting for a response for a full-time job. So these are just some of the ideas that I thought of. So one of them is, of course, a hair artist. Now we would realize that in the Caribbean, we love the fet, right? We love to do a lot of fetting. And so there's always a need for persons who can do braids, do weaves, do wigs, do natural hair, just be able to create that hairstyle, that hairdo that so many ladies desire. Even gentlemen, some people want their hair, nice and square and everything, and get a nice fade going. So both males and females can be part of the hair artist sector. You can either be, of course, a barber, or you can just run a salon. And the thing is, a lot of you young people, you're very skilled in these areas. You know what you want, you know what's hot, you know what's in, you know what's stylish. And so you are able to help others who are not as fortunate or who don't know how to handle their hair. And yes, the hair is a big industry. Persons always want to look on point, always want to look sharp, always want to look fire. And so there's always a market there for someone who is very versed in doing hair, cutting hair, that kind of thing. And the thing is, it doesn't even require so much investment, just your talent, just your skill. But the hair stylist, the hair artistry area, that's one way you can go into to make some money. Of course, cleaning, it might not be something appealing to everyone, but the thing about today, right, is that persons are so busy and persons just don't want to do this kind of work, which means there's always work there for someone to do it. So you start up a cleaning service, and trust me, you're gonna get a lot of work for that. A lot of people don't want to get their hands dirty. They just don't have the time actually to clean. So you can do either domestic cleaning, commercial cleaning. You go into a business place after closing hours, do the cleaning up for them. And again, it doesn't take a lot to invest in. You get your sponge, your bucket, your chemicals to clean, and you start out like that. Of course, you can get a good old-fashioned part-time job. A lot of them are available in supermarkets. You go into the supermarket, you can either be a shelf replenisher, or you can be a bagger, even a cashier, right? There are a lot of jobs available in supermarket area because there's always this high turnover because persons just use it as a intermediate job, a stepping stone, a early job before they jump into their full career. And so there's always going to be a spot open. And the thing is, there's so many supermarkets out there, small, medium, big. They always need a bagger, a replenisher, things like that. So that's one part-time job you can look into. Even if you go to a service station to pump gas, that's another one. A next one that you might not seem so obvious to you guys, but of course you can do some farming. You can go into agriculture. You can plant some stuff. As they grow, you sell them, right? That's an easy way to earn some money. Just get some seeds. The soil is out there. You put them down and you grow something and you sell them at the market, sell them at the side of the road, sell them to a supermarket. Food is always needed. And so if you go into this sector, this area, you don't even need a large farm because we're talking about a little side hustle, right? So maybe something in the basement, if you have a basement, something in the back of your yard, something we cover, you get a little cover so you have a little miniature greenhouse or something, and you go. And so this is an area that you can make some real money from. You got some quick crops, some cash crops, some peppers, some tomatoes, some eggplants, and those kind of things. Another one we have is a makeup artist. Just like the hair artist, makeup artist right now is a popular thing right now. Everybody wants to get their face beat. Everybody wants to get their face done, look nice. Like I said, there's always some place to go. Some big fete, some big festival, some culturama, something that's going on in the Caribbean, some crap over something. some queen shows, and people always want to look their best. And the thing is, a lot of these young people now, a lot of you young guys, took the time to go and learn how to apply your foundation, apply your makeup properly, do the eyebrow, everything like that. You have learned, you have looked at YouTube, you got the time because you're not working full time, you got the time to learn and cultivate that craft. And so it's in high demand. Trust me, there's money to be made if you're a decent makeup artist. People, where I live, people get booked out for weeks in advance for both hair and makeup. So if you're a dual threat, you can do both. More money to you, more power to you. But there's a lot of money to be made in the hair artist business, makeup artist business. A lot of people just into that right now, females especially for the makeup part. So that's one way you can go. And the thing is, it's not that expensive either. You invest in your supplies, and then when you get paid, you replenish those. And while we're here, not just face, nails also. Nails is a big thing right now. These nail art. That's another way in which you can make some money. Nail art. People go and design whatever, put on the extended nails, the acrylic, all that stuff. Once you master that for both hands and toes, man, some money really there for you. Once you got that skill, that artistry to design nice, unique colors and things like that, people want that. Money to be made in that. So, hair artists, makeup artists, nail artists, right now in high demand. Another less sexier job would be just running errands. Like I said, a lot of people, they're busy, and so they might want someone to run errands for them. Pick up my dry clean, pay this bill for me around town, do this, do that. That's an opportunity right there. Young, vibrant, summer school is off, adults are still working. Make that your business, get a bike or whatever, messenger if you want to be, and just run errands for people. Charge a price and you make some money on that, right? So running errands, that's a next way in which you can earn some quick cash during your summer off, your break off, to get some money to buy maybe textbook, uniform, whatever, work clothes, going into your next chapter. Then of course we have social media marketing. Now this one, a lot of people, well, social media has blown up, we know that, and persons have large followings. And you can capitalize on those large followings. Because when you post a status on WhatsApp or IG Reel, you have people watching it. So if somebody throwing a party and they want some advertisement, some advertising, tell them, I'll post this up on my status, you pay me X amount of dollars, we're good to go. Right? So a lot of people are into this, and the older set who were before social media exploded, they're not really too versed in the inner workings of social media marketing. Right now in universities, it's one of the newest degrees you can get. So persons who grew up in this thing, they know this thing inside out. So you're able to send a WhatsApp status to market something, broadcast, do a little YouTube ad, you do a little boosting on Facebook and IG. You know how these things go. So you can become a social media marketer and make some money. That can even be a full-time job if you are able to harness that enough. But in the meantime, it's as simple as I have 500 persons on my WhatsApp. I have 100 persons on my WhatsApp. I'll put up a status with your company. I'll put it on my Facebook page, my IG page. Get some eyes on it. You pay me some money for that. That's marketing, as simple as that. Then when you get more into it, you can go into the boosting and those kind of things, right? Now, staying in the zone of social media, you can actually do part of marketing again. Is the what do you call those things? The thumbnails, right? Thumbnails and posts. If you're able to master things like Canva, where you go on and create the actual posts that they're going to put up, the thumbnails that they see, though that part of social media marketing is also lucrative. It's not everybody know how to go on and design a post and design a thumbnail, right? Design a poster just for social media. Is that everyone can design that. You have apps like I said, Canva, very good app. There's a free version. If you can master that free version, sell those posters, sell those thumbnails to persons who wants to post up maybe a menu or a party or something. Again, that's an opportunity for you to make some money in social media marketing. The actual creating the thumbnails, creating the posters for persons who are not that versed. You can use Adobe. You can use Canva. There are so many other apps out there that I know young people are in tune with. They can use to edit the videos, edit the photos, and post them up on behalf of someone. So that's the next aspect in social media marketing that you can look into to earn some cash. And of course, social media itself. You can, start a YouTube channel, make some money on that. You can, harness your IG followers, make some money when you post something. So being an influencer, I didn't want to really use the word, but that's what they say. Become an influencer. You can do the gym thing, everybody doing the fitness influencers, everybody doing the life coach influencers. People who want to do gaming, you can do gaming out there, do some gaming content, stream on Twitch, stream on YouTube, that kind of thing. Start a YouTube channel. I mean, for entertainment, the money, you have to get a lot of views to earn the money. But when you get the subscribers and the views up, you can look into sponsorship. Get somebody to sponsor your channel and things like that. So that aspect of social media is also an avenue you can take to make some money. They streaming, just creating content, posting up your content, that kind of thing in social media. Money is there to be made. Then we have sports, and the sports lovers out there. As you grow through the grassroots, you learn the ins and outs of a particular sport. Then you can become a coach, you can become a referee, and you can make money for that. You can call games, right? You call, if you're in, let's say, in sixth form, and there's a college league going on, a primary school league going on, or something like that, a U14, U13, whatever. You can become a referee for that league, make some money on the side. You can become a coach for those teams, make some money on this side. So sports can really open up opportunities for you to make money if you are willing to go and venture there. Once you have the skill, the understanding of the sport, there's money to be made in both refereeing, coaching, even team management, even playing. Right? If you're playing like a pro-am, you get a little money on the side for playing, those kind of things. But there's money to be made in all aspects of sports. Of course, the last one we're going to look at here is online classes, online tutoring, even in-person tutoring, right? There's an old adage of, what do you need to know to teach a donkey? The answer is just know more than the donkey, right? So once you know more than someone, you're able to teach them something. So for example, you're in sixth form, you can teach someone in high school, in primary school. You're in high school, you can teach someone in Form 1, 2, 3. If you're in Form 5, Form 4, you get the picture. But tutoring, use what you know, use your knowledge. You can do it online, you can do it in person, but you can make some real money in tutoring. People are willing to invest in their education. Parents are really willing to invest a lot in their children's education. Help them with the SBAs, help them with the projects, help them with their lessons in general. So there's money to be made in tutoring, right? So those are just some ideas. There are a lot more ideas out there. Those are just some of the few that I could think of that can be really done right now to make some quick money for the summer while you transition into your next chapter in your life. All right, so that's it for now. Like the video, share the video. We're gonna do some more of these during the summer now that we're on a break from school. And yeah, just share the chat and enjoy the content, share the content. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening. Stay tuned for more of these types of videos.